Find the limit x tends to approaches to infinity, positive infinity, of x plus 5 over 6x minus 8. So what will be the answer? Here we will divide by the highest degree of x. So here we don't, the highest degree of x is simply 1. So this will be equals to limit as x approaches positive infinity. We'll divide, I will have 3x divided by x plus 5 divided by x all over 6x divided by x minus 8 divided by x. This will be equals to the limit as x approaches positive infinity. We'll have x and x will cancel, left with 3 plus 5 over x divided by x and x will cancel, left 6 minus 8 over x. This will be equals to limit as x approaches infinity. We'll have 3 plus 5 over, when you plug infinity here, so this will simply give us what? 0. Right, so we'll have what? 0 over 6 minus 8 over infinity will be 0. So the answer there will be equals to what? 3 over 6, which is the same as 1 over 2. So we have noticed that we simply, since when you have the equal, when our variable, when we have x with the same degree, you will simply take the coefficient. This will simply equals to 3 over 6. You simply take the coefficient. So what about if you have given the highest power? So okay, let's say given the example limit. Let's take the limit of x approaches let me just say negative infinity. We are given 4x squared minus x divided by 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5. So you check the on the numerator and on the denominator. On the numerator and the denominator, the x with the highest degree. Here we have what? With the highest degree, we have x squared and x cubed. So this will simply equals to the limit of x approaches to negative infinity of what? Of 4x squared minus 2x raised to the power of 3. Just ignore this. So this is what its limit at x approaches negative infinity. We'll have that. We have this. We'll cancel with the 1 there. We're left with 4 over 2x. Right. So plugging this, the negative infinity there. So either way will be bottom heavy, but through the negative, this will simply evaluate toward to 0. So we'll have our answer to be equals to 0. Alright, so that is what you do then. So let's say again you're given, for argument's sake, if you're given the limit of x approaches positive infinity for 5 x squared minus 4 x divided by 2x squared plus 3. So you check the value of x with the highest degree on the numerator. In the denominator we have x and x squared. We have x squared and x squared, so it seems like we have the equal. Let's forget about this, ignore those. So since these are equal, you simply equate this will be equals to that. That means the limit of x approaches positive infinity. All of this, you equate this must be equal. The answer actual of this must be equals to, let me not write it on the bottom, I still have space, must be equals to 5/2. Must be equals to 5/2. Then you can do it manually. When you do it manually, you divide by the highest exponent, which is x squared. You divide throughout. You will find out your final answer that you will obtain. You will obtain 5/2. This is how you do these questions.